Hello, my name is Nathan Lott, and I am the Vice President of Education for Texas Tuckers Toastmasters Club in San Antonio, Texas, number 6457. On this video, I'm going to be talking about how to get started with Pathways. So the first thing we have to do is go on to toastmasters.org, and we're going to log in. If you do not have a login yet, just click on Forgot Password and go through those steps with your email address. But if you already have a membership and all of that, go ahead and sign in. And you are going to want to go to Pathways. They have changed the website, so there are now a couple of ways to get there. The first way is to go to Education Programs and click on Pathways. And then you can get a Pathways overview, look at the different paths and projects. And if you click on each one, it will tell you what each of these pathways are about. You can sample your first project, which is the Icebreaker. There are some translated options, accessible materials, and achievements and awards. So going back to Education Programs, you will want to go to Basecamp. The other way to get to Basecamp is from the main page. Click on your profile underneath your name and click on Go to Basecamp. And your club should be listed here. If you do not have a path yet, this will be free for you because it's included in your Toastmasters membership. But once you already select a pathway, choosing a new path is an additional $20. So we'll go ahead and go to Basecamp. You'll see my path is leadership development. I can open the curriculum and see that I have completed level 1 and level 2, and I'm getting started with level 3. You, as a beginner, will probably be starting with your Icebreaker in leadership development or in whatever path you choose. So you're going to click on Launch, get around your browser's pop-up blocker, and make sure you go through everything in the module. Everything from navigation to the introduction, what your assignment is, and then make sure you assess your skills before, and when you're done, assess your skills afterward. Then when you get to the last page, it'll say, congratulations, you have completed this project. Now, when you go back into your pathway, you'll notice that there's a little check mark next to it, meaning that it has been completed, and you'll see status completed on it. Once you have completed everything in level 1, then you're going to launch the level 1 completion, and that will send me an email saying that you are ready you're ready for me to approve your completion of level 1 in the path, and then I will submit the award, and both you and the club get credit for that completion of the level. So what if you want to figure out what path you want to take? So you're going to choose your path, continue to path selection, and you're going to select digital resources. And you can either view all the path options and read about each path, or you can take an online assessment. I would recommend the online assessment because it will ask you a series of questions to gauge where you want to take your Toastmasters journey, and then give you a first, second, and third option of what path you might want to take. And once you're done with that, then you can start logging into Basecamp, going to your path, and start working your way through the modules and the different speeches. So that is a quick how-to on how to get started with Pathways in Toastmasters.